We are star.
Well, good morning, Miss Precious.
Morning, B. It's just for you keep the tea.
Precious, looking at the cupboard if you say the mint or ginger. If not, you will have to go on the backyard, go pick piece of fever grass.
So you don't have no Earl Grey?
Imagine me and you there talk about tea, and you bring money night. Who is Mr. Earl Grey?
Lord Beatrice. Earl Grey is a type of tea. You have it there that day, I did like it. You have none.
Well, here at Hotel Hype, we do have Earl Grey, black, pink, or green.
Well, I will just have to have the mint then.
Precious, let me ask you something. What you doing at my house so early in the morning?
Well, I'm spend the night with Clumsy.
Precious, you know nothing in discretion.
What kind of woman you think me is?
Unfaithful fornicationist. What to Trevor?
Trevor, I'm alright. Look, I had to take care of Clumsy after the fight. And then you fall asleep.
Me and you know so you love that Merazme looking boy.
Well, that is inconsequential information.
What?
Inconsequential.
Well, look here, Precious. Me now run the commission of inquire, right? So you keep your big word them to yourself, you see?
Lord be man. Stop going like you're a school teacher. And if you stop question me, I have to carry this tea to Clumsy.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than
Clumsy! It's easier. I'm going home, you see, to get ready to go down to the restaurant. Clumsy, what's wrong? What's wrong, Clumsy?
My ribs. My back spray.
Oh, Clumsy.
I'm gonna put them on.
Clumsy, it look like you're in a lot of pain, though.
Yeah. And who's going to take care of me?
Look like you need a nurse.
No. I need a Precious.
Clumsy. All right, I'm going to see if I can get the rest of the day and take care of you here.
Yeah.
All right. pain. Look like me really have to see him with him today.
You is clumsy, mama.
No. But after a man beat him to a pulp yesterday, they need a real woman to take care of him.
Hey, let's not exaggerate, okay?
Precious is mad, your mother or what? You can't think with your brain. You must see the boy you pretend.
But you can't fake them kind of pain, dear.
You see what I mean? The boy is a genial.
Give me the day off. I have a sneaky plan for that boy.
Precious, I really shouldn't be supporting this kind of unprofessionalism behavior in the workplace, you know. But that little boy need to learn a lesson.
So me have to go fix you up back right, you hear? Yeah. So I'm going on the road to pick up some things and come back, you hear?
I not feel this, you know.
Virgin, I don't think me know that.
So why we are doing it then? Clumsy not even there.
So the thing set, man. We have to just deal with it.
Yo, me have a picnic to live for, you know.
And me impotent. Me not picnic for make one day in the future. Very far future.
Yo, you know say a razor blade we are ramp with, you know.
Yo, you don't think me know that? Ever since you decide to become a good father, you walk on like you're better than the rest of it. Yo, Kappa gone, clumsy kind of screwed in the head, and yeah, me catch a lucky break and win some money. But the crew is still the crew, and you need to realize that.
No, you need to realize that things change. We change. You are the man with the money and the studio and the way out, you know. If the crew fail, me and Clumsy fail. And that's the reality.
Look, I know this is dangerous, but trust me. And me, you know, Benzly, your cousin, everything will work out for the best in the end.
Can't take a word for that in the hype. So you can go and record your Gully versus Gaza, your guilty versus innocent. We not preach no violence. It's like you forget about Andrew already. Yo, me not support this, you know.
I go Mother Mary, and she prescribed one whole heap of things for you.
She did?
Yes, she did.
Oh, what is?
Oh, this is winter green, and this is a Medina, but she give me so many things, me not even know what to mix with what.
Whoa, you know, I'm feeling much better.
Nonsense. With injuries like yours, darling, you need good old Jamaican remedy. Just turn over. Make a sort out your back. No, man. Relax.
Precious?
Hmm?
Me alright.
It burn you. Good something that. What is that? Oh, this? Them call this burning pepper leaf. That's why I keep it in the tin bowl, you know. It keep the heat in.
So what it do?
How we ask? I don't even know if it's for back pain or for boil. But it must cure something, don't sweetie? Yeah, come. Come. What? This? This is castor oil mixed with Buckley's with a toop sarati. So come man.
Sweetie, I'm feeling much better.
You sure?
Yeah, positive. Yes, look.
So how you feel better all of a sudden, so?
It's a miracle.
Miracle? Nonsense, man. You lie down, let me rub on some of the crook lizard oil. Come.
All right. Okay. All right, okay. I wasn't sick.
So why you fake it?
I enjoy your attention.
But you're not for fake sick for get my attention. Or it's probably Beatrice's attention you want.
Hold on. Says you been sending them letters? And all the greater Kate them? So you are my secret admirer?
You was hoping it was Beatrice, no?
No. Not really.
So y'all a fight for her and a chase her and all them something there?
I was just having some fun. I like when women play hard to get. I like challenges.
I can see that.
So, my beautiful secret admirer, what you want to do now?
Well, I stay home for most of the day already, so might as well I just stay.
Nurse. Nurse. I'm sick. I'm sick.
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. RMG, bless up, you know. We there, son. You want Me and Mi Kru stuff? Just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, make the link here. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. Listen, I say. We there, I don't know. You know, wait for a minute. We're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?